Hello everyone. Today we'll see how to capture a video in a Ubuntu desktop. I have used Kazam software for this screen capturing in Ubuntu. So I would like to let you know how to do the screen capturing through that software. It's pretty simple. You just click on this software, then like yeah pretty sorry, I forgot to tell you that how to install that. That go to terminal, then you do a apt install kazam. It will install the kazam software for you. Then go to this application widget, and from there you can see all this application. You will see kazam also there, so click on that. Click on that. You will see this. You can include the mouse cursor while capturing, and then I've choose microphone. It will take the audio from the microphone. You can choose speakers also, and then you have to choose the device device from which the audio should be captured. You can choose here. I have chosen microphone, so I have a Plantronics microphone. I have choose Plantronics here, and then you can do change the format of recording, frame rate, all this option from here. Once you have done that, close this window, click on capture. It will start capturing the video, and once you are done with the video, what you can do is you can do a finish recording. It will save the file. It will ask to save the file. Then you have to go to the files, and then videos. You will find the files of the saved video file over here, and that should do your job. Thanks for watching this video, and please do subscribe my channel to get latest videos. Thank you.